I guess I can go first. I've got two different sets of demos, so I'll be all over the place. Okay. So the marketing demo. Been working a lot on the website with Tam's exciting short near-term departure. I wanted to make sure that I could make some things more self-service for Connor and make sure we could kind of make good flows there. So we've been actually launching some of the Contentful stuff. That has been pretty much invisible to folks, but this page is now Contentful powered. So you'll notice that everybody who works here, I think, is actually on here. And this is actually powered by Contentful. So this is the actual employee list in Contentful all set up and working. The other thing that's actually live in production now is the blog can do Contentful posts. So this one here is actually powered by Contentful, which is over here. Basically, you can actually, in Contentful, go ahead and work on them and see a live preview on our preview site, which is a hidden URL. So it starts to make it a lot easier for folks to work with it. We're not at self-service yet, but it's now easy for like Tam or Connor to go make edits, and we probably will get to fully self-service within the next month or so with a lot of pieces of content. Soon to follow, probably early next week, we're going to merge or pull the changelog and the demos into the website as well and sort of update the nav a little bit to reflect that. So the doc site will probably get a unified nav with the marketing site. Basically, it'll be the same navigation over there since we'll actually have everything in it. And we'll see how this is going to look. Come on, go over there. It's my browser's angry. There it is. This is a pre-production site. So we've already ported all the content except for, no, all the content. So changelog still needs styling, as does demos, but you can jump through them, you can link to them, all the things, and we'll redirect everything such that existing links will stick around. This again is editable, right, via Contentful. Demos is the same story. The videos are in here, but I haven't built the display for that yet. And when this is done, you'll actually see who presented each video. So like it'll have their face next to it. And you'll actually, for marketers, you can actually link directly to a specific video if you want to. So if you want to like embed or link to a specific LinkedIn video or video on LinkedIn, you won't have to do like find a bookmark inside the page. You actually link right to that piece of content, and it'll still drive to the website so that Jonathan can do all of his magic and know which of our demos are really popular in LinkedIn and all those things. So
do I need to do anything different for this yet?
yes, you do. We'll chat.
Let me know.
Yeah. So before you do the next one, I'll give you access and show you. I think it'll be easier than your current world. So it shouldn't be harder at the very least. So yeah. And we do get to put a nice big banner up here, which we can make even more bright to say these are demos. Please God, don't think they're done. Right now we have a more discreet thing. We're gonna be a little more vibrant with it now that we have some design control. So yeah, this is Contentful. Not really our not us, but really nice platform that we're going to be using for content stuff. And the big thing about it that's really elegant is they have a pretty nice block management system such that like we now have a nice way of handling code. So for instance, it's actually been sort of a pain to get like well-formatted YAML or SQL in our blog posts. Because I wanted it for the changelog, I built it here, and now we can use the same block anywhere we want. It also means you can take a video used in demos and embed it in a blog post or in a partner page or a competition page or all these new pages we're going to be building. So the idea is this will make it really easy for Tam and content marketing crew to build piles of pages as we go out from here and reuse content if they want to, or build custom stuff for go wild. So yeah, just trying to get us more and more self-serve on the website. So yeah, look for those things to launch. I'm going to chat with Colin and Ariel about their individual pages. And the docs change will really just be navigation, so I don't think it'll have any impact on folks there. We may someday pull docs into in its entirety, but that's later when I want to give up a few more evenings for that. But yeah, so yeah, do better docs. Let me check my really long notes. I think that's everything. Oh, I broke the website this week. I clicked the wrong button in Netlify because I'm a jackass. And Jonathan also saved me, as he apparently is doing for everybody this week. So there's now monitoring on the site that will annoy me if a site stops responding for more than 3 minutes in a row or 5 minutes in a row. And we're going to get it set up also via Squadcast, which is what we use for the alerting for production, such that it'll yell at me and break through my do not disturbs and all those things if the site goes down, or if somebody says on Slack terrible things have happened. So we should have some better monitoring there. And we also now have a regular dashboard report into the website channel that shows us about stats collection. And as soon as alerts are launched, that'll probably be a great internal POC to just have alerts holler at us if we stop collecting data suddenly. So all the things to have better monitoring, we can use our own tools. Cool. Okay, that's one set. The other set is actually about the product.